How to contact Payoneer Support. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Payoneer Support. Okay, how do you go about this? The first thing to do is to log into your Payoneer's account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you brought to your own page automatically. And then on your own page, you would see some options by the left side of the screen in the menu, and then by the right side of the screen you'll see some icons as well, your profile icon, notification icon, as well as the help icon. Just go ahead and click on your profile icon. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed showcasing time and all of that, and then click on in the box you will see settings, support center, sign out. Click on support center because that is the Payoneer support. So once you click on the support center, you brought to the support center's page displaying Payoneer Support Center, etc. So yeah, you can just go ahead and ask all of the questions that you have. All right, just ask, and then if your question fall under any of this category, just click on it. Click on any of the category, then you will be brought to another page where you see a list of questions by the left side of the screen. Look for the one that applies to you, read it, and then follow the instructions, and your issue will be solved. But then if you want to speak directly to the customer support, that is, you don't want to ask questions, you don't just want to read questions, but you want to speak to them directly, all you need to do is to select one of these articles here. So that maybe you have an issue with registration, just click on it. Click on the particular one you have, and then once you've clicked on it, and you will directed to another page showing you more questions. Select the one that is similar to your question, similar to one you have, and then read through it. Once you read through it and you say you're still not satisfied, scroll down, and then you will see contact us. All right, click on it. Once they click on it, it will load, and then you'll be directed to the contact customer care. So yeah, you can just send a message directly to the email, to the Payoneer's email. So yeah, this is your email. Then this is your question, your comment, and then attach a file, and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, the email will be sent directly to Payoneer, and then your question will be answered by them sending an email as well to your email. That is the email you use to register for Payoneer. So this is how you can contact Payoneer support. Very simple, right? Yes. So go ahead and contact them today. Thanks for watching.